Di mo ba? Sweeping. No sweeping. Oh my God. Ay. Hi, William. Good morning. Di mo ba? Ha, morning insan. Good morning. Di na ako nakaano ay pagkatapos ang live, turog na. Wala na. Wala nang tayo makimarites. Wala nang tayo magchika-chika. Balay, ano na lang, trabaho balay. Ayun. Trabahong balay. Salamat. Thank you for joining 6 million here. Thank you guys. 8 people watching. Where are you from? 8 million. Oh my God. I hope 10 million. 8 million. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Oo nga, insan, work home lang as always. Mau po. Mau. Trabahong bahay. Sa trabahong bahay nga lang, pagod na eh. Pag nag-imod naman yun to si Tim, sabi niya na, English please. English. Abang wala pa siya. Hindi mo na kita mag-ano. English. We're Filipino. Hi guys, good morning Cheryl. How are you? I'm fine. How about you guys? Good morning. Thank you for watching. I'm fine, thank you. Then Wamafma. Hi Dane Wamafma. Wamafma. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Dane Wamafma. Shea butter and tea tree oil pa. Kutis sulit ang White rose papaya. Kutis sulit ang glow up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the time, Zach. Thank you, everyone. Hi. How are you? Thank you for watching. Diba? Thank you. Ano ginagawa mo? Di po ngayon? Ay, bukas pala. Wala, kumakain minsan od sa'yo. Really, Char? Really daw, really. Well, like, come on, hi Zane. How are you, Zane? What that time? What that time? Why you said really? Really? Why you said really? Really? I'm good. This evening, how's your morning going? My morning going is good. I think it's good. And the weather is good. And very good. Nag-uumpisa na naman si Tim. Nagbabatog na naman. Tim, what do you mean? Oh, I see. I said I do nothing, just eating while watching here. Ah, okay. Ah, okay, that's BB. Had a good breakfast too. Yes, good breakfast. Where are you from, Zane? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you sa nag-thumbs up. Mars. What you eating? Anong kinakain mo daw? What are you eating? Lol, I'm from USA. Ah, okay. Where are you in USA? Char, you gonna move to Texas. Why? Why is she gonna move there, Texas? Sabi niya may coordination naman po dito sa mga organizers ng rally sa SMU Tower Monument. Pero napagkasunduan na dapat meron isa sa Lieta at dapat meron sa hapon dito sa EDSA. Pero sa September 20, and the mountains. And the mountain. Where's the mountain? Where's that mountain? Why I gonna move? You had something for me to meet. Just kidding. Isa din yan ano. Arizona. Arizona, USA. Nice to meet you, Zane. Because her friend, she said, is going move to Texas. Her friend? Whose friend? Char friend? Char friend? Whose friend? Yeah, whose friend? My friend? I have no friend. Yeah, you can meet David. Sa dami ng maimimit, si David pa. Anyone else? You can, Why David? Maybe he's have a own family. David is still single? David, empleyado niya. Driver niya. I thought you said before someone you work with is moving to Texas. Oo nga, insan. Dati pala sinabi mo, may friend ka na mag-move to Texas. Parang nilipat na sila doon. No, David single. Why is he single? Maybe he is playing too. He is single. Why he is single? He look like getting old already. Coffee. I'm a coffee lover. Ay, salamat.
Okay, kaya matagal mo na. Ano mo? Late mo na ako na. Tama na hinig mo na. Okay na. Ay, karinta pa lang. Ay, sabay ko na hindi paganda sa ano.
Thank you. May merendalan na kami.
Video na lang siya, makubol-kubol.
Okay lang yan. Mga bata man ang mga kaon.
Thank you.
Oh my god, I am too. Oh, really? Charles met him on video. Huh? Ah, yeah. I met him on video. Yes, it's this Pinoso. You will miss this. The Pinoso. Nagbakal ako Pinos. Arigo. Oh, my friend is planning to move, but it depends on the company if they get approved. But some of their family are already there. I think they are in Dallas. Wow, sana all. Oh my gosh. Dallas is 3 hours away from you, from Texas. It's been 15 years. Ay, oo nga, no? Grabe. Ang ganda mo. Bing, bing, bing. Bing, bing, Bona. Salamat pa. Nakapiki pala ang camera dito sa ano, no? Maganda ako sa ano, pero sa personal hindi. Cheryl Dallas in Texas. Ah, okay. Sorry. 3 hours is not bad. Oh, at least nandyan lang. Bing Bing English. Bing Bing said, yeah, I'm beautiful. Thank you, Bing Bing. Yes, mamainit tagkape, yes. Mainit na kape sa umaga. Marunong ka ng Bisaya. Di man. Dayman. Bicol ako eh. Pero naintindihan ko yung ibang salitang Bisaya. Tla, tla, tla. Tla. It used in Texas is near in the border of Mexico. What is that stuff you just got on the table near you? No. No char. Char. Minsan, sabi daw ni Tim, pag yada na ako, pwede daw niya ako hanapan trabahoan doon. Kaya kung maboring ako, sabi ko nga ni, matrabaho ako dyan. Kasi maboboring man ako. Sabi niya, sige. Ano nga, sanay ako na may ginagawa. Hindi pwede wala akong ginagawa. Hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede. Kasi in kaso nga, hindi tayo pabigat. Hindi tayo pabigat sa ating ano. A lot of job you can work inside. Yes, thank. What's when? My God. No worries about it. Pinay are hard workers. Yes. When she gets here, my friend is gonna give her a front desk clerk at Hyatt Regency Hotel. Oh my God! Really, my team? Thank you, mate. Wow, that's good, team. Thank you. I found that out today. $18 an hour. Thank you. Thank you. I can help you, Tim, to pay the bills, the foods. Kahit marami ka ng pera, hindi ako pabigat. Tsaka, hi, beautiful. Hi, Elsibol. Wow, that's great, Tim. Thank you, Tim. $18 a day. Okay na yun, insan. $18 a day. There. Di ba, cost of living in America is expensive. So, it's okay. $18 a hour. How much in pesos? $18. A hour, not a day. Yeah, a hour, not a day. Yeah, how much in 8 hours? Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my God, so expensive. I feel I'm getting rich. Yes, insan is above minimum already, but it depends on state. Mahal naman. Almost, almost, sasahod ako ng 5,000 a day, maybe sobra pa. It depends how many hours you work. Account around 40 hours a week. Yeah. Sa Manila nga, nag-overtime ako eh. A week. At 12 hours a day. Di rin man mabigat dyan. Hindi naman, it's really hard to, because if work or no traffic maybe, and no hassle, because of it's really not hard. The laundry is a problem, getting washed out. It's really problem, but maybe there is so easy. Team, how much is the minimum per hour in your place? Number 9 hours with a 1 hour a day break. Okay. Uh, one 1 hour is break. The break time is not paid. So nap inside everything are machine, so no worries. Okay, yes. Because here, oh my God, always time. Laundry, ano pa? Cook food is so much time. Oh my gosh. It depends. McDonald's is paying $15 an hour. Oh my God. Matrabaho naman sa McDonald's. Ayoko na nagano kasi may mga bastos na customer. That's not bad. Maganda doon sa kanila siguro, no? Yung parang, hi, ano doon. Parang umaga sa ato, ang Manila rate. Parang ganun. In San McDonald are the last choice. Okay. Wow. The last choice. Did here in the Philippines? Oh my God. It's a great job. So if you move here, I can get you the same job as here. Siguro pag mag-ano kita insan. Pero kung maganda na yung ano mo diyan, yung sweldo mo. Okay na, lalo na kapag regular na regular workers na you can bring her to work. Who? Yes, we can work mate soon. I hope. But maybe I don't know. Thank you, team, but I love my job right now. If I find a good job, a good man over there, I will transfer to the same clinic over there. I mean, you in charge. Yeah. I mean, my cousin is have a good work there in America. But if you find someone having a good status in life, that's great. She will move in Texas. Yes, we have those clinic here also. Clinic. I studied too hard to become a dialysis stick. Okay. Good morning, Mom. Hi, Joey Alvarez. They pay, I think, about $30 a hour. Yes, maybe more than that. So it's hard for me to just give it up. Yes, because it's worth it. Don't stay that, and then maybe in San para may other source of income kasi malaki naman transfer here. I think more money. More money there. What you make our char? We have a coworker that just transfer over there, but I don't know where because of her boyfriend. Secret. Yes, dapat hindi sinasabi yung natin. Kasi it's very confidential, Kim. The personal info. Organization pa lang. At sa personal services pa lang, ang unang tondo for ICI, 21 million pesos agad. Wala pa yung other expenses. No, it is not. Tell. No. She don't need to tell. Oh my God. She don't need. It's private. It's privacy. You can't rate. By the way, Illinois is too expensive. Oh, and same as Texas. Thank you for 9, Tomzek. No, no. More expensive in Texas than Texas. Mm, just small thing. Yes, it's much expensive and taxes are ridiculously high. Texas cheaper. Same here in Sun. Tax is mataas yung tax tapos yung sahod nauubos lang sa tax. That's why people I think rally because of the corrupt politician here nakakabusit. Salamat sa'yo. Darating ang mga salita na gagaling sa dalawa. Yeah, that's why some of our friends are transferring. One transferring over there next year. They are promises and truck driver. The promises and truck driver. Maybe it's a good cost of living in Texas than other cities there in US. Magandang doon, no? Maybe in San, I'm not sure. Okay.
So, in pesos, magkano po yun your honor? 2.6 million.
I have a trucking company from Chicago who owes me $7,000. Huh? Why? Why he owes you? I have a trucking company from Chicago who owes me. Oh my God! Why too much money? Owes you? God. So dandruff. Never paid me for 3 weeks. Why? Oh my God! Why not paid you? That's why. Oh, sorry, Tim, to hear that. That's too bad. So, still now, not yet paid. And sun dandruff is life. Yeah. Kaya nga eh. Dandruff. Well, there are a lot of cracks in the trucking business. There are a lot of cracks in the trucking business. It's not dandruff. Koto. It's not. Koto ko no. Di ko no dandruff koto. Kotohin. Tell Char in your language what it is. Kuto nga, kuto. Sakuto. Sakuto. Q-T-O kuto. The egg is Lisa. L-I. The egg of the bugs is called Lisa. L-I-S-A. Lisa. And I call it gross. Gross. Okay, fine. Whatsoever. Ay, nako, ting. Kasalang ikaw ay wala na, hindi ako. Thank you sa nagtamsak, thank you so much sa dumaan, sa tumambay, sa nagmamahal sa akin. Sa lumilingon, sa nagagalit, sa pasilip-silip. Ayan, salamat, thank you so much. Dahil sa inyo, But insan, if you always use water heater, dandruff is life. Talaga. Kasi nag-ano siya eh, nag-video yung ano didiyo. Yun ba yun? Skull. Ay, yung ano, yung parang nagda-dry. Yung ano didiyo. Pero ako talaga, daghanon talaga, narikdik ko. Mga madamo, baga na parang nagbabaklas. Parang yung dry na ano. Balat. Depends on the shampoo you use. Maybe it depends on the shampoo you use. USA, ha? If you use horse mane shampoo, it's great. Okay, that's great. I heard that song. Remember that's our song when we are elementary, right? Yeah, elementary. Dahil sa inyo, napunta ko sa aking nais marating. Sana insan, no? Di ba mag-ano naman ulit? Sayang. Sana makauli ka bago naman tayo mag-ano dyan, no? Oh my God. What the horse mean shampoo? Not it in Walter Mart. Here, I will bring some here. Okay. You buy it in Walmart. Need to save a lot of money in sun. It's nice scam pa. Oh gosh, never mind. Oo nga. Kailangan be careful to trust someone, lalo na sa lalaki. Be careful. It's na. Kung may darating, may darating. Need to save money. We need good people in our life. Okay. I'll take a look on that. Need to be careful. Yes. A lot of man now is cheater. Mga manloloko. It's really hard to trust. Oh my God. But, team, I trust you, ha? Don't waste my trust. Yes, indeed. Yes, it's a big battle. It's true. My kulay. Hi, chill. Yeah, chill lang. Hi, Doc. Hello, Doc. Thank you for joining, Doc. Hi, thank you for joining here again. Welcome back, Doc. I already use a lot of shampoo, but nothing helps. Okay, so me too. Same, but I like Palmolive because it's mabango siya. Palmolive is a good smell in the hair. Everyone, don't use Head and Shoulder. I use it sometimes. That's why there's a lot of, it's like oh my God. I already use it. Pantene may be good for your char. Yeah. Pantene. My uses, but it's worst for me. Wala pa dapat sa to dati. Kadlong, mura man kita sundati Ganyan, kadlong lang sa to, okay na. Mura na yung kadlong. Head and Shoulders no good. Thank you for the sa nag-thumbs-up. Thank you so much. Hi, Doc. How are you, Doc? Is Season Blue? Yes, the Season Blue. Selsun Blue. Selsun. That's a gritty shampoo, Doc. Gritty. What? I can't feel it. Oh my god. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Oh my gulay. Kadlom tayo insan, kadlom. Maybe aloe vera is better, yeah. And kadlom. It feels like putting sand in your hand. Putting sand in your hand. Oh, hi dog, crunch up. Wait. Yes, seldom blue is don't like. I don't like. Oh, bakit? Ano yung kadlom? Yung kadlom dati, yung ano, yung pupuga nato dati. Kadlom, yung wala man kita shampoo dati. Magayon yun sa buhok, yung kadlom tapos minsan nga lubi, lunok. Diba? Kadlom medicated works the best. Yung kadlom dati, naalala mo yung dahon na inano nato sa ulot na dati, yung pupuga. Tapos, ano. Oh, oh yeah, I remember now, but coconut I always used before. Yes, coconut. Kadlom ako sa to, kadlom, lubi, coconut milk. Their hair is so fine and soft. When I'm young, we use coconut milk. Pure coconut milk. And kadlom. Kadlom. So very organic. Kadlom and aloe vera. We put in aloe vera. Pure aloe vera, like we use it like because we have before name it, we have plants of aloe vera. I see our hair is getting hard for some reason. My hair it was fine before, but now it sucks. Yeah, maybe stress. So they said if someone's stressed, like my hair before that is says grabe nagdipisan talaga. Some I have a falling hair. Like pag ginanyan mo siya, maraming ano, I have a falling hair in my hands, but now it may be because he said it's stress. Ano, dala ng stress, sabi nila. That's why have a mga falling hair. Pag ganun mo, may mga buhok na ano, sticky and stinky. Sure, wash your hair with coconut, your whole body will be sticky. Of course, it wash on ano, we put on the body, we put on the hair coconut milk first. After we soak it in a few hours, We wash it and soap or soap or shampoo. It's very soft and fine. But now, oh my God, too lazy to soak the hair. Yes, and said it's about stress. That's why. Sabi nila, stress daw. It's stress. Our hair is, change. They look like that. Pag nakikita mo, di ba, yung mga mama na, na experience. Wara! Naghali! Si Cora, naglilibot yan to. Mao po. Apa. It's about. Thank you sa nag-thumbs up. Yes, it says bad stress. Kung nararapat sa'yo.
May cotton ka, tate. May cotton ka.
Ano yun?
Tayo man ako dito na. Binarada ni dada ang cotton ko.
Hindi yun, sama ka sa ano?
Nagluta kay ang pugod ko daw.
Ay, mao.
Binakalan ako ni dada.
Ano ko? Oh my God. Just going bald. Yes, and so. What's bald? What's bald? 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 What? Maraot ka na daw. Like my head. Bald-headed woman. Ano yan? Anong ibig sabihin? Like my head. Shut up, Tem. Sulsul ka pa eh. Dinugtungan mo pa, Tem eh. Masama na nga eh. Headed woman. Maarot ka na daw. Maarot. Bald-headed woman. Ang pagkaintindi ko, maraot, maarot. Yes, getting bald. I didn't say it, dog. Did. Okay. It's fine getting bald. The important is stay beautiful. I wear wig. I wear wig. The fake hair. It looks like shaggy. Shagilid ang buhok. Hala na. May lahi pa naman na arot. Maarot. Ang pagkaintindi ko, maraot. Arot pala, arot. Shaggy ang buhok. Wig will take care of that, yeah. Yeah, I will wear wig if I will bald if ever. But I think it's no. My hair is healthy. I be careful. I'm not using shampoo too much. I just put in the little count of shampoo. Count amount pala amount. Not count, it's amount. She can be a blonde. Yeah. Okay, soon I will the color of my hair. It will be blonde. It will be blonde. Oh my god. Change look. My hair is uh, getting blonde. Mhm. 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 Are you going to try to be blonde? Yes. Oo, mapapakulay ako. Maybe bago mag-uli si Tim. Before Tim come here. Maybe you already chance for that, gotta go back to black. Maybe highlights lang. Oo, highlights. Highlights lang. Wait lang, nag-chat si Manaynol. I told her to wait, I need I told her to wait, I need to finish. I need to that's your right. No, I'm not the Wi-Fi. I need to kuan. I need to end the live because Call of Duty. I see something. If you feel like to have a blonde, we will try. Thank you. I told her to do that char, but she did brown. Okay, bye-bye. Who call you my Eleanor? Wait lang. While it's closed, who call you? Ba, wala na. Dati may yun, Didi. Ba't ganun? Wala na. Check her and son. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless.